Welcome back, everyone. Indiana Doug here. This is a continuation video from the Back to Basics series. The first video was called Chainsaw Files, Part 1. This is Part 2 to that section of the series. In the first video, we discussed round files primarily. We also discussed several file types, file geometry, and so on and so forth. If you haven't already watched that, please stop here, watch that video first, then continue on to this video. Part 2 of Chainsaw Files, Square Files. Okay, next let's go into square filing, or race chain, some people call it. Now this is called a single bevel file. Okay, it has 4 sides, as you can see. Okay, and when you cut, you cut down into the tooth, right? Or some people do up, but this the edge here is what's doing a lot of the cutting in the corners here. Okay, that's what does the cut. This face, it doesn't necessarily do any cutting, but it's good to have these because you can also do your rakers with these. See, it's kind of a 2-in-1 file itself, because you can do your depth gauge rakers and you can do your square filing. I'm not a fan of this. I don't know what it is about it. I just cannot get my square filing right with these, but I still have it around. I don't know why I have it around, but it's not my favorite. I can make it happen, but just not a fan of the single bevels. Which leads me to the next one, the double bevel, which is the most common, I believe, in square filing. A couple different types here. This is a double bevel file. This one's been used a lot, as you could tell. It has 6 sides. Okay, so you can see the difference here between a double bevel and a single bevel. See there? 6 sides and 4 sides. Okay, so the double bevel is not quite as wide here. See, because you have both sides, you go up to a point there, and these points, or these corners, are what you gauge your square filing with, in conjunction with, like the top plate and everything. So you kind of got to line those up. And again, that's kind of out of the scope of this video, but we'll do that in the future for you guys. So this is a double bevel file, and this is also a double bevel file, but as you can see, it's a little skinnier, a little thinner. The face is not as wide, basically, but the edges are exactly the same, as you can see. And you have a little handle. I love these things. Shout out to Mike Bordeaux. Here, these are the same ones John Riley uses. They're awesome. This is Valorby, 6-sided, and you put your handle here on the tang, and then the face has a little holder you can hold your finger with. Love these. Best ones right there. Getting to be somewhat rare too, unfortunately. I don't know why everything that's good, it becomes rare. Why is that? Anybody know? Now, this next file is also a square file. These are all square files. This single bevel, double bevel, and now this is called, technically, this is called a 3-corner chisel bit file. Okay, some people call this a triangle file. But with this macro lens, I'll show you why it's not technically a triangle file, because it has six sides to it. Okay? Let's go up here. See this? Look. 6 sides. It looks like a triangle, but it's not. It actually has 6 sides. Okay, you see that? But this is a square file. If you look, you can see the geometry here. You can see why it would be. Here, let me get this other one. Why it would be square file. Look at the. So you can square file with this. See, it's the same size on the edge. Now I came to the conclusion that this is what Steel Hexa based their Hexa file on, because it's hexagonal. It has 6 sides, right? But they're not all the same size. Take this off, see? It has, these are all the same size. This is a little different. But I still think that, I think that Steel based their Hexa file on this 3-corner chisel bit file or triangle file. Again, it's a square file. So anyway, that's about all I got for you guys. I hope someone out there learned something, or hopefully I helped somebody. I'm looking to make more videos like this coming up on the channel. So if you like this content, or if you have any suggestions, please let me know. And please leave a comment and tell me what I can do better, or if there's anything I might know that could help you out. Okay, thanks for watching.